If you have been looking for a RadioEarn review, you have probably seen a lot of titles here on YouTube with some crazy claims about how much you can earn, and it can seem very appealing at first. However, you need to be aware that most of those titles are just clickbait meant to get you to watch the videos, and they do not really tell you the full truth. My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have tested RadioEarn myself, and in this review I will give you an inside look, and I will give you the full truth without any BS. Just tell it as it is so you know exactly what you can expect to earn, and you definitely need to know that before you start investing any time here. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online. So I have now logged into RadioEarn, and let's start by going over who can join. And you can join RadioEarn no matter where you live, and as you can see on the front page, they claim that you can earn just by listening to the radio. And this of course seems almost too good to be true, but let me reveal right away that you can actually earn by listening to the radio here. However, even though they say they are available globally, it is not necessarily an option to earn like that in all countries. And even if you live in the countries where they do have the radio option, then you need to know exactly how much you can earn, because if you're expecting to earn a lot of money, like some YouTube videos claim that you can make $20 per hour or more than $100 per day, if you expect that, let me just reveal right away, you will be disappointed, but I will get more into the earning potential later. But for now, let's focus on how you can then earn by listening to the radio here. So you just go to this Start Earning tab and then listen to the radio, and then you can see there are some options here. And here right now, I have two options. I have Radio 4 or Radio 5, and you can see the type of music there and where they are available. And this is what I mean, that even though you can join from any country, then there will not always be a radio station available for you. So if you want to use the earning opportunity where you can earn by listening to the radio, you need to live in Europe and the US. That is where you have the most opportunities. There are some other ways you can earn here from all countries. I will get into that later. But the radio earning option is usually mostly available in Europe and the US. But it can still be worth checking out from other countries if you decide to give it a try after having watched this review. But what you need to do is then just to click one of the buttons, and then a new screen will open here, and you can see there is a counter how much you've listened here and a countdown here saying next payment will be in 5 minutes. And then I have my antivirus program here blocking some pop-up ads, and that's just a part of it. That's how it is. But other than that, this is just where it is right now. I have it muted so it doesn't make too much noise here while I'm trying to talk, but you can just leave this in the background when you are doing other things on the computer. You do not have to actually sit here and watch this screen there. So even when I jump back here, it will be playing and it will be counting. So it's definitely an easy way to earn, as you just need to listen to the radio, and if you like listening to the radio anyways, then why not? However, you need to know what you can earn, and here you can see you will get 0.25 points for every 15 minutes, and you can use it on several IP addresses also here. And this means that you will get 1 point per hour. So just remember that for now, 1 point per hour you listen to the radio. And then later I will go into exactly how you can take your points out and how much 1 point is worth. But for now, just remember you need to listen 1 hour to get 1 point. There is also a surfing option over here, and here you need to click, and then you can open a new screen. And you can see it says TE here, and I'm assuming that is short for traffic exchange, because this is where you can earn by clicking here and opening websites and visit other websites. However, it is very unclear what you actually get for doing this. All it says is that the earnings will be different depending on the websites that you actually visit, but that's all you're told. Not very transparent, is it? And I have tried to click this several times, and it's just the same website that keeps popping up here. And so far it has not really counted in my account. It of course also says that it will refresh once every hour here. So maybe if I'm patient, but no matter what, do not expect to earn a lot of points by doing this. And I really dislike that it is so unclear, that they are not more clear about and just transparent about what you can earn. Usually on sites where you can earn by visiting other websites, you know exactly how much you will get per website. It is never a lot you can earn on earning opportunities like that, but it is of course also very easy. However, this is definitely not something I will recommend if you want to earn effectively, as you can easily spend a lot of time earning basically nothing. Then they have one more way where you can earn here, and that is by sharing your referral link, meaning that you can invite other people. And if you have a website, you can even embed this radio playing option so people on your website can listen to that, and you can earn a little bit extra by doing that. You will then earn a commission of 5% of what the people you have invited are earning. They will still earn the same. This will be paid by RadioEarn. But it is, in my opinion, a really poor referral program. 5% is very low. There are referral programs that will pay you a lot more. And also, as you will see just in a minute, where I'll show you how much you actually earn for the points, then it is not a lot. And if you think about you inviting a few people and they are earning 100 points or whatever a month, then you will get 5% of that, which is really not a lot when we are talking about the value of them, as you will see. But most importantly, you need to consider if you actually think it is worth recommending to others before you start inviting others. Is it something that you think is a great way to earn yourself? If it is, then why not invite other people you think will be interested and then earn a little bit extra? But if you actually test it and think it's not worth it, then just forget about this referral program here and do not use it. And then after we go over the full earning potential, you will definitely know if you think this will be worth spending your time on and if you think it's worth recommending to others. So let's now go over how much the points are worth and how you can get your earnings out, because this is very important to know before deciding if you should join or not. And as I showed earlier, for listening to the radio, you will earn 1 point per hour you listen. And the current exchange rate they have is 1,000 point equals $3. This can change a little bit from time to time, but that is how it has been for quite a long time now. So let's just do the math here to see how much you can then potentially earn just by listening to the radio, because it sounds so easy, right? But let's say you listen to the radio, or at least you have it running 8 hours per day. That means you would get 8 points per day. That means that you would get around 240 points per month. But the exchange rate is that you need 1,000 points to get $3. So that means that with this exchange rate, you would earn around 72 cents per month if you listen to the radio 8 hours per day. So it is definitely not a fast way to earn. Yes, I know you can use several computers and several IP addresses, but still, this is just a really low earning opportunity. And in addition to that, you need to know how you can then get them out once you actually reach the payout threshold. And you can get them out via bank transfers. You can see here Amazon gift cards and Bitcoin. So the payout options are quite good in my opinion, as you can get both gift cards or get paid in cash if you want to. But it will take you some time to actually get the earnings out also, because you can see that once the points will be exchanged into US dollars, and then you can request a payout, and then it can take up to 35 business days, not just 35 days, 35 business days, which is the equivalent of 7 weeks. So it is a very slow payout process for sure compared to many other get paid to sites. And this is definitely also something to consider. So if you want to join a place where you can earn fairly quickly and also get your earnings quickly, then RadioEarn is definitely not a good option, as you can see. Overall, RadioEarn is interesting because you can actually earn just by listening to the radio, but you definitely need to do it with the right expectations. Personally, I'm not crazy about this site because the rewards are so low, and I do not think that it has good user friendliness because there's a lot of information that they do not really tell you. I would say that it is only worth it if you like listening to the radio a lot anyways, and if you like listening to the music that they actually have on their radio channels. then why not have it running as some kind of background music if you want to listen anyways. But having it running to earn just doesn't make sense. As I explained to you, if you listen 8 hours per day, you will be able to earn not even $1 in a month. So if you want to earn effectively for free online, this is not a good option. Then you should use other options and get paid to sites instead, where you can do something a little bit more actively and then earn a lot higher rewards. And if you want to know even more about RadioEarn, or if you want to see a list of some get paid to sites where you can earn a lot more for your time, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.